Hi, welcome to today's live video. My name is May Duldalau, and today's topic is 9 free spots left in beginner investment program. Okay, my name is May Duldalau. The blog is yesfinanciallyfree.com, and that is where we have our beginner investor program. So I don't know about you, but when I started investing, I really didn't know what I was doing. I kind of just bought stocks, not knowing. Even when I was doing it within my bank, they had a 401k for employees. I had no idea. I actually called them to see if they could help me figure out what should I invest in. And they really had no good advice except to say, well, this is what that is, and that is what this is. And you know, how many people out there are investing and have no idea what they're doing, right? So this program is to help you actually learn what you're doing when you're investing instead of just blindly investing like most people. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is May Duldalau. I live in Honolulu, Hawaii with my husband, Jamal, and my 6-year-old son, Jordan. Back in 2011, I sucked with money. Okay, I was bad. I had over $40,000 of credit card debts, more than one, okay, like 8 different lines of credit and credit card debts. I managed to pay it all off by 2016 April. Yes. And I was also improved our family's net worth by $500,000, and we were making almost $500 a month in passive income. All right, and I quit my job. My last day was December 23rd, 2016, and I created Finance Freedom Mastermind programs in that month of December. 3 of them over the course of the following year, and all of it was to help clients learn what I did, which is not only pay off debt, but also create passive income and improve your net worth at the same time. So I tell you my story just to tell you that no matter where you are in your finances or what's going on in your life, you can make your finances better, okay? So if you're not on the email list yet, go to yesfinanciallyfree.com, put in your first name and email address on the right side. If you're on a phone, just scroll down. There's a big red button that says yes. Hit that button and you're on the email list, and you get a free Working Parents Guide to Financial Freedom that will be emailed directly to your inbox, and you'll get updates from me. So I actually emailed my email list, before I went live and told them about the fact that we only have 9 free spots left. So they had first dibs, right? And sometimes when I'm on my live, people will register while I'm on my live. So actually, when I'm done with my live, there's less spots left. So I'm telling you right now that being on the email list has perks. So get on it, right? But if you want one of these free spots, go to the blog post underneath this video, or just check out yesfinanciallyfree.com and go to security analysis. There's a tab called security analysis. Go check that out and register. There are only 9 free spots left. We meet every Friday. So we're meeting tomorrow. We're meeting tomorrow at 7 a.m. Hawaii time, which is 1 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, and we meet on Zoom. So you don't have to live in Hawaii to be on the Hangout. You can join us anywhere in the world, all right? You just have to have an internet connection. And if you're watching this, you must have an internet connection, others wouldn't see me, okay? So it is free, but you need to register. And then once you register, I will email you the Zoom link before the meeting, and then you can join in, all right? Now, why would you want to do this? Well, like I say, I want to invest like Warren Buffett. I want to invest so good that people say, I want to invest like Melissa Duldalau. I haven't gotten there yet. So we say Warren Buffett because he's the epitome, the pinnacle of investor, right? And he is a person who makes a lot of money steadily over the years. If you look at his track record, his investing track record, he's made money for everyone who's invested with him has made money year after year after year after. It's like constantly making money. Now, in my own experience, it has not been like that. Okay, I have made money, I have lost money, I have been like a roller coaster. So I want to be more like Warren Buffett. I want to constantly be making more and more and more and more money. I think that's a great way to invest. So how do I learn to do that? Well, I'm learning from Warren Buffett's teacher. Warren Buffett highly recommends learning from Benjamin Graham. That's where Warren Buffett learned how to invest. And I read 2 of his books already, and the stuff that he wrote, and he wrote these books back in the 1930s, okay, a long time ago, but the books are still relevant today. See, that's the key, is when you read the book, the logic and the skills you need to analyze an investment is still true today. All right. So if you follow his advice, you can still make good investments. So how do you know and how can you find out more? Just join the free this beginner investor program. Now, it's not going to be free forever. All right. I have 25 spots that are free. After the 25 spots are taken, it is $997 to do this course for 1 year. All right. So it is only free for the first 25 people. And I have had 20. Anyway, I have 9 free spots left. My math is failing me. But so join in and get a spot. If you're interested in learning how to invest like Warren Buffett, like a very popular, like value investors who actually look at investments, figure out if the company is making money. They avoid bad things like Enron, right? When Enron was super high and then it totally went bankrupt, out of business. If you held on to Enron stock, you'd have lost everything. Value investors don't fall for traps like that. They don't get sucked into Enron. They don't get sucked into businesses that are going to fail like that because they know how to read income statements, they know how to read balance sheets. They know how to figure out if the company is actually profitable, what's going on in there. That's skills that you and I can master and learn together in the Friday morning beginner investor program. Okay, I call it the Security Analysis Mastermind. Security analysis is something you buy that is an investment, right? And the analysis means you analyze it, you look at it, you decide if it's a good investment or a bad investment. So that's what the course is about. And the reason it's called Security Analysis is because that's the name of the book that we are studying. We are studying Security Analysis, written by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd, together as a group. Now, I call it a beginner investor program because it really is for beginners. Now, if you don't know about investing, you can join this program and you can ask questions and they will be answered. All right. So I am very open. If anyone has questions, if they need help, you just have to get on the live meeting and ask, like, I don't understand what you just said. And then we'll go back until you do. That's how great it is. It's for beginners. It's not for people who, those people who know about finance and they just jibber jabber and you have no idea what they're saying and they're very egotistical and they look down on you and you feel intimidated. That is not what this group is about. This group is loving, welcoming, warm and fuzzy, and it is there to help you if you honestly and earnestly want to be a good investor. Maybe you decided to invest in marijuana stocks and they got legalized in California and you got burned, or maybe you decided to invest in gold or Bitcoin or whatever your investing experience is. If you got burned and you're like, I want to be a good investor. I don't want to be this gambling investor where I just throw my money into some stock because my brother said it was good or somebody said it was good and I don't even know. I'm just listening to people say it's good and buying. You want to avoid being like that and you want to actually be intelligent and actually choose stocks based on real facts that you analyze and make good decisions and see your investments grow over time, just like Warren Buffett, then I highly recommend you join this free beginner investing program. Now, like I said, it's only free for the next 9 people who register. After that, it will cost $997. So I recommend you get in now and get in quickly. Go to yesfinanciallyfree.com/security analysis. Now, just go to the blog and then look on the menu at the top, and there's one tab that says security analysis. Click on that, read through it, put in your first name, put in your last name, put in your email. I need all these things to get you registered on my membership site. Okay, put that all in, agree to the terms, and hit register or enroll, whatever the button says, and then you will be in the group. Now, go ahead and do that right away. Okay, everything's timestamped. So the first 9 people who do it, I will add you to the membership site. If you're not one of the first 9 people, I will send you back an invoice and asking you if you want to pay the $997. And you don't have to, it's your choice. If you think it's worth it, then pay the $997. But that's only after the 9 free spots are taken. So just go for it. Just register and do something where you actually learn something good during this COVID crisis. Take this time to change your life for the better. Expand your mind. Learn how to invest. And make some new friends while you're doing it, right? You get to know me personally, get to know other people who are actually sincerely interested in becoming great investors. That's how great mastermind groups are formed. Have a great day. Click the link below, and I will see you again. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Aloha, and be